Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a thank you postcard on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and go to the last option, the cards and invitates, and search the thank you postcard option. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures, videos or audio files, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find the images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts, frames, grids and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select the template and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the style of the template, just click to the template style button in the design section. And done. If you want to move an item on your postcard, just click that and you can move and edit the size, and done. If you want to change the text, just click that and write your text. You can edit this text. Just click to the arrow next to the fingers option, and here you can edit the style of the text and the font type. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon. If you want to change the effect of your text, just go to the effects button and select another effect, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.